Okay, so we're going to solve this equation for x. We're going to solve log base 2 of x minus 6 plus log base 2 of x minus 4 minus log base 2 of x is equal to 2. Now, let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to use the product rule. So that basically, we're going to put these two together. Let me make this black. Okay, so we're going to put these two together. So this is the same thing as log base 2 of x minus 6 times x minus 4 minus log base 2 of x is equal to 2. And then I'm going to use the quotient rule here. So this is the same thing as log base 2 of x minus 6 times x minus 4 over x is equal to 2. Now, what I can do now is I can put the bases 2 on both sides. So this is the same thing as 2 raised to the log base 2 of x minus 6 times x minus 4 over x is equal to 2 to the 2. Okay, so 2 to the log base 2 of this thing is just this thing. So we'll get x minus 6 times x minus 4 over x is equal to 4. Next, we can multiply both sides by x to get x minus 6 times x minus 4 is equal to 4x. Now I can distribute, right? So this times this, and this times this. So if I do that, that'll give me x squared minus 10x plus 24 is equal to 4x. And now I can subtract, I want to put this in the quadratic equation form. So I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides to get x squared minus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0. Now let me see, can I do this without using the quadratic formula? So negative 12 minus 2 is negative 14, and negative 12 times negative 2 is 24. Yes. So I can factor this into x minus 12 times x minus 2 equals 0. Because x squared, x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 12 times x is negative 12x. Negative 12x minus negative 2x is negative 14x. And then negative 12 times negative 2 is positive 24. So this is the same thing as this. So this means that x, in order for this equation to be satisfied, x can be 12 or x can be 2. Now we have to figure out which x's are valid for this equation, right? So I'm going to find the domain of each of these and see which one of these solutions, or if any, fit into all of these domains. Okay, so let me go ahead and go down here. So the domain of, so it was log base 2 of x minus 6, log base 2 of x minus 6. We know this domain is from 6 to infinity. We know the domain of log base 2 of, I believe it was x minus 4, right? Yeah, x minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to, it goes from 4 to infinity. And then the last one was the domain of log base 2 of x, right? And that's from 0 to infinity. Now I have to look at my solutions. So I can see that 12 can fit in all of these because 12 is in the interval from 6 to infinity, 12 is in the interval from 4 to infinity, and 12 is in the interval from 0 to infinity. However, 2 does not fit into 2 of these intervals, right? 2 is not in this interval, and 2 is not in that interval. So that means my solution, my only solution for this equation would be 12. Okay, so the solution set is going to be 12. And that's the answer.